How to change Osu skin. To change Osu skin, follow these steps. If you want to change your Osu skin, you will need to download a skin. To download skins, open any web browser on your device. After opening web browser, go to the search bar and type in Osu cursor skin. Now search for it, and on the result page you will see links like this. Click on the first link that appears. This link is by Osu Skin Generator. Click on the link to go to the official website. In the website, you will see different kind of skins that you can download. Scroll down to look through the skins. There are a lot of skins that are available. You can even filter them as per your liking. Now click on the skin that you would like to download. Here you will also see details about who created it, who uploaded it, how many downloads have been there, and how many favorites. On the very right side, you will see the download option. Click on it. If you want to share it with your friends, you can even do that by clicking on the share option. After downloading the file, open Osu application on your device. Now on the left panel, you will see a brush icon. The brush icon will look something like this. Click on that and go to current skin. Tap on current skin and you will see the file that you downloaded. Click on it to apply. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.